Hello and welcome to our latest transfer news. Following days of speculations regarding the future of Patrick Tito Maswanganyi at Orlando Pirates, now the team has released a statement confirming his departure. The statement says Orlando Pirates Football Club can confirm that an agreement has been reached with Bahrain Premier League side Al Khaldia Sports Club for the transfer of Patrick Maswanganyi. The 28-year-old playmaker departs the Buccaneers, having firmly established himself as a fan favorite during his time at the club. Maswanganyi remained an important part of the technical team's plans for the season. However, following discussions with the player and his representatives, he expressed a clear desire to pursue a new opportunity abroad. In recognition of his services to the club and his ambition for the next chapter of his career, the club agreed not to stand in his way. A transfer was subsequently concluded with Al Khaldia Sports Club. Tito leaves having made a lasting impression both on and off the field. From his first appearance in the famous black and white jersey, he gave the Ghost countless moments to celebrate and represent this club with pride. He departs as a league champion, a firm favorite among the supporters, a player who understood the responsibility of representing Orlando Pirates Football Club. The club thanks Tito for his dedicated service and wish him every success in Bahrain and in the next chapter of his career. That's the statement from Orlando Pirates. Now it is confirmed that Patrick Tito Maswanganyi is leaving Orlando Pirates to join a Bahraini club, Al Khaldia Sports Club. Tito Maswanganyi leaves the Buccaneers having won 6 trophies in 3 years, having joined them in 2023 from SuperSports United. He has won a league title, Carling Knockout, a Nedbank Cup, and 3 MTN 8 titles, scoring 29 goals and setting up 21 assists in 120 matches. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of his move to Bahrain? And in other news about a former Orlando Pirates player, defender Olisanda looks set to move to a North Africa club, ending his 5-year spell in South Africa. The Nigerian international, who's 28 years old, arrived in South Africa in 2021, joining Pirates from Aqua United, and quickly developed into one of the finest defenders in South African football. Having arrived at the club as an NPFL title winner, Nda added 4 MTN 8 trophies, 3 Nedbank Cups before his exit to join Stellenbosch last season. After his short-term deal ended with Stellenbosch, Nda has been linked with several clubs across the continent, and there are reports that he might join a team in the Libyan Premier League. And in recent months, we've seen high-profile players joining clubs in the Libyan Premier League, so we might see Olisanda joining one of those teams, with reports indicating that he might join Al Ahly Tripoli or Al Ittihad Tripoli. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of the transfer news today? That's the end of the news for now. See you next time.